What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today, we are opening up one of the pink boxes from the Veefriends collectible trading card game. Now, this is going to be very interesting because I've seen this on eBay for a really great entry price. And for me, I had to scoop this up. Now, on average, these cases sell for around $275. This is something that I've seen on the Veefriends live streams on Fanatics, but also I've seen it ranging from $300 or more on eBay. But luckily, I was able to get a great deal on this. I think it's because the buyer did not have any reviews. I think they were a brand new user, so that was an advantage for me. So we're gonna go ahead and open this pack and see what we find. Maybe we can find some hidden gems. So let us go ahead and begin. But before we do, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So right now you can see that there are 13 decks in each one of these boxes. Each deck carries around 4 of these cards. Now you do need to keep in mind that this is a sealed box. And how do we know that? It's because that there is a sticker here. So this says 0 cool. So if this sticker is intact, then that means this is a brand new case. If there is no sticker here and it is open, that means that is an open box. So let's go ahead and try this out. Let's go ahead and open this. So removing the sticker, let's put that there. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this case, and what do we find? So this is what it should look like. This is what we're expecting to see. So just based on the material, there's this plastic cover on top. We're gonna put that off to the side. We're gonna count these cards to make sure that there are indeed 13 decks. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And at the end, you should see this card right here that pretty much lays down the rules, the setup, and also the goal while playing the Compete and Collect edition of the Veefriends Series 2 card. So we're going to start with the first pack. Let's give it a try. So the very first pack, we have a Driven Dragon, Badass Bulldog, Passion Parrot, and also Protective Panther. So that's not a bad addition, I think, in my point of view. So that is going to go ahead and be the very first deck. Now let's open up the second one. I'm hoping we can find some grails here. We got the Tenacious Turkey. We also have The World Has Plenty of Love, Start Listening to It. The Proactive Piranha. And also the Capable Caterpillar. Here comes the third pack. What do we have here? We have the Juicy Jaguar, which is pretty cool. We have the Adventurous Astronaut. And would you believe it, we have one epic right here. We have an awesome African civet. Right now, it is ranked an epic with a score of 52, a total of 104. So that is absolutely a gem steal right there. Then we also have the Turn Tick. So let's go ahead and put this to the side as one of my favorites right now. Let's open up this next pack. And what do we have? We have Organized Ostrich. And again, we have another rare that we've just opened up. And would you believe it, we have an Oak Monster. This has a total score of around 67 to 84. That's an amazing steal. We're gonna go and put that right over here. And then we also have a Macho Manta Ray. And then we have a Productive Puffin. That is amazing already. Again, we have a lot more packs to open. Let's go ahead and open up the next pack. More exciting from here. All right, and we are opening it up. We have another Sophisticated Stingray. Toronto and St. Louis, that's pretty cool. A Heart Trooper, and also the Competitive Clown. These are all cores. Opening up the next pack, let's see how it goes. We have, right now, Quick Quail. We have a Sensible Sommelier. We have a Secure Sparrow, and a Polished Poodle. Let's go ahead and add that to the deck. Okay, next up, what we have here, let's check it out. We have a Legit Llama, Gary B, that's hilarious. We also have an Unwavering Urchin and the Logical Lion. Next up we have, let's see, we have the Alpha Alligator, Amiable Anchovy, the Observant Oyster, and also the bullish bull. Next up, what do we have? We also have the benevolent barn owl. We have the gleeful sugar glider, the charismatic chameleon, and also the decisive duck. We're getting close to the last packs. Let's see what we have here. This one, we have a common sense cow, a methodical mammoth, an impeccable anostranit, which is also a score of 70, and we have a befuddled burglar. Love these names, by the way. Next pack, here we go. We have one hodl hyena, love it. We have a jolly jacko, and also I see here that this could be pretty big. Right now we have a card that is 84 out of 100. This looks like it's going to be pretty big, and I think it's going to be a headstrong honey badger. That is pretty huge. We have a score of 59, a total of 89. That is definitely going in the deck. And then to celebrate, we have a last glass standing. So let's go ahead and add that to the pile. 2 more decks left. Let's see what we find in these last 2 decks. We have a gutsy gecko. We have a graceful goldfish. We have a courteous coyote. And we have a daring dragonfly. Okay, last pack. Let's give it a try. What are we gonna find here? Again, the reason we record this is because we want people to experience what it's like to own one of these. So here we go, last pack. We have a perspective pigeon. We have a confident cobra. We have a determined dolphin, and we have a dialed in dog. So that about wraps it up. As you can see, we've opened up all the packs, a lot of different core common cards, but most importantly, we pulled out these 3 amazing cards. What did we get? Well, we have this one again. We have the Oak Monster. It's a rare card, 351 out of 500 with a total of 84. Then we also have the Headstrong Honey Badger, again, 84 out of 100 with a total of 89. This is typically a very rare card. And then this one, which is the Holy Grail, this is 13 out of 25 in the whole world, and that is the epic card. Right now, this is called the Awesome African Sebbet. And again, this all started from buying one of these pink boxes. Again, the pink box is considered the top tier box. There is green, which is the lowest tier. There is orange, which is the middle tier. And then there is the pink boxes, which is considered the highest tier, which most likely maybe could give you a better chance at scoring the rare cards. And just based on what I've seen here, yes, I was able to score a Holy Grail right here. Again, 13 out of 25, very limited edition. So as a closing statement, I definitely think that this was worth it for what I bought it for. It was definitely cheap considering that they're selling this on the actual website or on the live streams for $275. I was able to get this for a much better deal on eBay. But before you buy this off of eBay, make sure to do your own research. Make sure that there is a sealed sticker up top, which is this right here. Make sure that there are 13 packs. Make sure that there is good condition within the case. Make sure you can find a good case like this one, which is the pink one. But again, there are a lot of different cases out there. You can find it all on eBay. And again, thank you so much for watching. We got to experience some amazing card pulls out of this whole stack. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of the common core cards? Was there one grail in there that we should frame and get graded? And let us know what you think about the cards that we pulled. Was this a lucky chance on our part, or is this something that everybody has been experiencing? And we will be making more videos about Veefriends later on down the road. So with that said, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. And most importantly, join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls and both buy and sell orders on NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and collector cards regarding our tips and tricks on finding the best deals on eBay and also courtyard.io. With that said, see you guys and girls next time.